Hello and welcome back. My name is Gabby. I'm the English teacher at Moreno Valley, OFY. This is English 11B, Unit 10, Performance Task 2. So for Performance Task 2, you just have to take what you did for Unit 9, which hopefully you saved, edit in that feedback that I gave you for your essay, and then create a 20-slide presentation to go over your topic. So you want to check them for grammar and transitions and all that fun stuff. Share that with me. Go through this checklist. So did you address every part of the topic? Does your presentation have a clear thesis statement and a strong lead? Is your presentation organized? Did you include evidence with facts, statistics, charts, and quotations? Did you give visual aids? Did you check the audio content? Did you cite your works in a works cited slide? Did you run the slideshow to make sure that it worked correctly? Hopefully so. This is the rubric, so as long as you did everything on that other page, you should be fine. But in order to get 5 points, good thesis statement, well organized, strong conclusion, facts, quotes, research effectively conveyed, transitions used with a formal style, purposeful steps to revise and edit, so I should be seeing corrections, I shouldn't be seeing the same paper. Technology was effectively used to publish, produce, and update. Writing project, effective use of research, multiple sources, right? Proper citations, and then purposeful steps to draw evidence from other sources. In order to pass this, you need at least, oh my goodness, let's see, 40 times 0.7, 28. So you have to get at least 28 in order to pass this. If you have any questions, let me know, but really this should just be the final step to your research project. Other than that, I'll see you for the final assessment, and then you're done.